If you dey look me koro and you dey hear me whine. Now if you say you tanda gidigba on top of the chairman television station, Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. And this na the ogbonge program wey give you license to talk am as e dey be you for body, as e dey hot. Today on top of as e dey hot, we go discuss matter wey be say e dey make everybody here inside Nigeria stand up. E get to do with our mama dem, our sister dem, our auntie dem, and I go talk am our babes dem. That na because of say the condition when Nigeria women don dey in the face of gbege wey dey happen for Naija, especially for the northeast, na something wey be say e call for serious discussion. Now why we carry person wey sabi well as e take concern the matter, and she go chook mouth for inside the matter to enlighten our Nigerian people wey dey for house. My name na Ezugu Chukwudi, and as usual una know say I no dey alone inside studio. I dey with my brother as e take wey sabi well as e take concern this matter, as e dey hot.
Yes, good morning, our beautiful and wonderful viewers who dey watch us right now. We don carry now come for another beautiful edition of As e dey hot. That ogbonge politic matter wey dey do wetin, wey dey give now up-to-date matter of wetin dey happen for our political world and wetin dey happen for government. And make now also know say yes, we go also do it. We go open our telephone line for now. Me now also chook mouth for the matter we go drop down today. And me now also forget say we get 3 solid telephone line for now. What I mean 3 and 1 toll-free line. What be toll-free line? Toll-free line be say una go call, una go talk, una go express yourself, una go talk am as e be na for belle. But the payment to call, who go do am? Me now leave the payment for us. Who will take charge of am? As Chukwudi don't talk, we get one ogbonge, that is mama, auntie, sister, everything where if you take describe this person, take and describe am. This person wey they talk about, now woman will get brain, enough brain, the brain kajad. Now woman will be youth leader for her constituency, will be Ikorodu. This person wey they talk about, now grassroots politician. When I mean grassroots politician, that is politician from the lowest level to the highest level. This woman are fronted when it comes to politics in Lagos. This person is a transformer of lives. She don't transform. That is life, so they wouldn't talk about where she transformed. The life plenty. And this woman are also wife to another ogbonge heavyweight masquerade, will be also one of our regular visitors for the program as they hot. Who would they talk about? Chukwudi, no, you give the name. Give the name.
We go call the name with slow motion so that we don't go make mistake. Because na person when we say officially, based on the way when our politics don't they, she don't carry title. And she na royalty, that is to say the blood when they flow inside, no be ordinary blood, that is to say na royal person. So I go call the name small, and I go like make everybody here stand up. Her name na Honorable Princess Folashade Aisha Olabanji Oba.
Hey! You are welcome to the program.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
You sure say na me you call us?
No, in fact, the name self.
We don't. It there everywhere for Google. For everywhere. Your name there. You know, say you get one tradition we get on top of us in the hot. We always shake the hands of our visitors them because make it not be like say when we start to ask the questions they will come to say the thing too hot. But based on say the kind topic we carry come na mama topic. Now, sister topic, now auntie topic. We know say you gather plenty information. When we say you go search the people and then go learn. So no fear. You no go hot. If they hot, but you not go hot.
No go too hot.
I mean,
so we go do the.
We go shake.
Okay. Now you are go first.
You can also shake me.
So quickly, make we first. Before we go enter into the matter of this thing of today, where we say we get to do with the issues where they affect women for the insecurity, the uprisings for the north, and a whole lot of other places where 1 or 2 brigades they happen. We first bring them down to this thing. And like last year, the APC presidential winner, will be Oga Muhammad come out, come talk, say look, say he no go get the office of the first lady. Say that is the office of the first lady. Say you no go do anything, you no go dey official, you no go even get the office of the first lady. We can also look the grassroots where this office of the first lady, how everything takes start. We know say it started under one particular woman will be Miriam Babangida. Yes, strong woman.
Yes.
From that moment, we can see gradual development. Can they see the expansion of women for politics? Can they see say women don't they do it? Don't they get ground for political matter? Even if Chukwudi go talk, say under this government of Oga Jonah, say he don't see waiting, he don't see women come out. So with this talk where Oga Muhammad Buhari talk, may we also tell ourselves, say even under this same party for the state level, we dey see the strength of women. You understand? With this talk where Oga Muhammad Buhari talk, she notice say the talk go fit affect the strength of the women, the women of Nigeria don't they get. What don't they get? It shows no go bring them out, decline them, come back small.
No. The reason why I ain't talk that one, now make we talk, say, you know, say, every government, he get their own style, where then they take do the thing. And our own discipline, we don't want to they spend too much money. Not be say, woman, you cannot, we not fit do without our women.
Women,
But the thing be say, we know this, can't say, now this kind of bonga money
we want to spend for when we know say you know the constitution
you know they there. But even you go see say the wife of our president-elect now, she dey work now. She dey work, but not be say all the bill bang we dey put them on top of the kini. We don't stand. So now he say if we are going to change the economy where we get, we go start from inside house. So, but no be say the policy go where we get for the party, you know, like woman. We get plenty where you say now woman go na in dey ogbonge for all the thing where we dey do there.
Very true. Me, I go make you don't say based on say women politics, we don't see say women don't come to stay for inside politics. Yes. But you get one particular serious problem when we say women they always they face. Make I break them down. Now, after the elections, we can see our soldier people, then they can enter Sambisa forest. You know, can they break down some kind of house when Boko Haram don't build this idea. They can they rescue plenty people. Every day, if we open newspaper, we go here, this number of women and children rescued. That number of women and children rescued. Why he be say, or waiting cause and when he come, he say, women can't reach the position when he be say, now just women, as in, he be like, now women, and then they suffer pass. Any, you know, this in fact, I go talk about.
They fall victim of the crisis pass.
I go talk. This insurgency now women now if they suffer the thing pass. She now say our government no do some kind things well, or now say these women now them just as in they're too slow or they're too dull. I make them they fall inside this kind of condition.
Not be like that though. Now the government where we no get enough strong security. And if you can't think say that side of our country where you see so the women there are plenty of them in the house. They day most of the time. So when they come, then they go meet first now.
Because we don't go farm.
We don't go farm. Yes. And nobody there will go fit defend them. So now we be the victim most for this kind of situation. But I believe say the way our soldiers they try now, make we hail them. In fact, me I thank them well.
They do well.
Only say I wish say they don't try before now. Because if you see say every day now, then they rescue all these our women. You go can't imagine. Okay, then say we get more than 50 of those camps where they for inside that forest.
Inside the forest.
Okay, where they see 200 and something. Now only 4 they don't touch them. Now another few days they don't see. Yesterday they said
they see more. Yesterday, yes. They see more.
The thing can they worry me say now how many more?
We go see. Now this thing will come make me make I carry this question come. The way you take talk about say the women they are the housewife, it can't bring the talk about maybe to empower women. You know, empowerment not be by muscle or six-pack. Empowerment na sense. And the kind things when we say handwork. You understand? This is what we say, woman feel or she feel do not be to sit down past the door say, honey, give me money for soup. Now if you check your record, they talk say like 5,000 people. Now you don't empower when we say if they call these 5,000 people, they get address. Yes. No be 5,000 people for just. No be
audio.
No be audio 5,000.
No be invisible.
Now 5,000 when we see.
Visible.
They get address. You understand? So wetin dem go fit do for these women when we say these women will come get power, not just physical power, but the power when we say they come with respect. When we say if man look at he go
first give himself. He go first think and twice.
He go see beyond say this woman na your woman. He just na pikin dey take care. Na kitchen is supposed dey. He go dey look the woman. They see say this woman is a strong woman. Like Ruth now. You know they read Bible.
I no need to tell me now.
I no say Ruth. I say Ruth.
No, I no call Ruth. Me no it na call Ruth. Me self dey read Bible. I know it na I talk. So write on.
And now the thing where I go first talk now are men. Make them allow us, make we beg them.
Unkubi, make direct this.
Oga Unkubi, they say make I direct and
no.
Tell
her.
Visiting party now, then you go talk to.
Because me, I love women.
I love women.
And not be said to just love them.
I respect
to
them.
trust them.
I trust them
with power.
Thank you.
With power.
Benny.
With power. Why you reach power? Your voice can't come down.
No, Unkubi, you know say
with power. Women, they're too because if una give us the chance, una know say una fit rely on us. Any country where they take care of in women and the children, the country go stand gidigba like this.
But women, they do like to quarrel.
But not be the quarrel part. You go take time, you go send them go school. When they finish go school, you go help them. Even apart from degree, the thing, even how to behave. Because when the woman stand, the pikin where he born, he go stand well. He go there well. You don't know whether that pikin fit be the president of our. Even one day, myself, I dey pray. Nigeria, we go get woman president.
Now everybody pray.
We go get
that. Is now my own prayer. I don't know whether I want prayer.
No.
From my own angle, it is my prayer.
Even Oga Presido don't talk am. This our Oga Presido don't talk am. Say before he go join Baba God, say in belief now. Say make him feel look. Say yes, woman now he rule this country. But
not be said because na just because him be woman. Now because him get the qualification where go fit rule because he not be say woman you go train so that even when you stand, you know say as una tell me to sit in between us. I feel small. This one say na
strong men.
Ogonge men. But I can't say
you na woman too, not be by muscle.
Not be by muscle. So it good make we allow our women, make we help them. You know, now we plenty pass.
Yes,
now we plenty pass. Not be only when election come, una go say una want use us, una just want dump us like that. Give us right. Say na just stomach infrastructure.
Okay. No, may I also bring them out from where one of the answers he talks say, look, okay, say make them give women a chance. Okay, maybe also look the government of Ogaduna. When all these crises they happen, say how go take describe the whole issue? This all crisis of uprising, insecurity, Boko Haram and all that. Okay, how you go take describe the involvement of women? Or how you go take talk, say, the women really come out, come voice out, come tell Nigeria, say, see what that happen. And then no also look at bearing the fact, say, we get women for government.
Waiting that they do.
Waiting that they do. Now the ordinary women, exactly, who they see. But we are waiting for government. Waiting they do to also support their fellow women, where they carry their pikin, where they kidnap their wives.
True question.
You understand?
Any woman wey no helping fellow woman,
now which
not be better woman.
No better woman
because
now. Now
if you see say you be, even if now
you get the power, you get influence.
Now your own pikin you no see for one day, you go fit sleep.
He go touch you.
He go touch you now. So and all of us will be brother, will be sister for this our country. So if now somebody pikin. And you say, okay, say you be my brother now, and now your pikin. Your pikin now my pikin.
You go feel am now.
So even if na to go kneel down for my Oga Jonas say, Oga, even if we no get the strength, make we reach out for the Obodo country where they help us. Maybe something the way we know they do well. Make we help. You know, we go, the strength go there more. But you see our other women like Obi Ezekwesili for this. No, plenty of us. Plenty of us like that. We cry, we beg, say I beg. You know, forget politics. This one not be politics.
Yes.
This one
about life.
Yes, not life. And we must make sure say the life of every Naija.
They protected.
They're very valuable. And important.
Yes.
Important.
You know, not be saying at that time some people na party na
because the reason why they ask this question be say we don't see women come and say, hey, may not give us chance, so make we say they get in, make we dey involved for government. May not give us chance, so because now every time demand. May not give us chance. Okay, now they don't come give them the chance, so we see women. Okay, such don't come happen where we say they even supposed to come out, come talk pass. They don't come out, come talk. Now only the ordinary women, now then they voice out. And the ordinary women they voice out, I know go talk, say government not to pay attention. But if say the strong women with the politics come and say, no, this thing, in fact, say me I dey for your government. Make we make sure say this thing will happen. It should say, answer for come out now. So it should say no go affect that is not going to make people lose faith in the power they give women for government. Very true. Because now that we need to look at. Very true. We will look at from that angle. It should not go affect the power we already get.
Even the small one when they give them.
No, anybody where they place where say anything where they happen around them, no concern them. Himself they do your of himself because. You go no say na small. You go come for your own domot.
Exact, Abi.
So all of us, whether you not be saying you go
they
to
fight, say they
but we must give that mouth to people who no get the mouth. If you did there, make you see. You know, say God one day go ask you. Now, what till you do with the power, with the connection, with everything where I don't give you? Wait till you do where you take bless your people. Because anybody where in life no make life better for the people where surrender. No, Allah.
Very true. This question and a reality question.
Yes.
Because now waiting happen. They say out of these girls when they rescue 214 when they see say they don't carry belle. Meaning say these Boko Haram Jaguda people them don't give the girls them belle. Now that one a reality, they don't get belle. Make we come bring them down. Abortion they illegal for Nigeria. Our constitution no support them. Now they don't rescue 214 girls when carry belle of Boko Haram Jaguda people. Waiting be the way forward. What did they go do for these girls? Because these girls, they don't turn our property now.
No, apart from say they get belle, the trauma, the psychological challenges, where they pass through at this point in time as a result of waiting to happen to them, couple the fact that they can't get belle join.
What do you think say government supposed to do immediately? Not be by setting up committee.
All those our women and the girls, government get to come quick, sharp, to their rescue. Put them for accommodation. Get doctors wey go take care of them. The one wey go they talk to them. Because even self, the girls self no go they know.
That counselor.
Yes, counselor. Because some of them self, they said you get mark. Everything where they don't abuse them for them body. And the thing where you go come wonder, this kind men, where they won't die because they say they won't go catch virgin. Virgin for heaven.
Hey.
Say if they die, now 1 million virgin, now they go. What thing they go can't do? Why they not leave our girls?
Make they leave this one.
Go catch the one waiting for heaven. Now, the problem be say now, these women, they go born that pikin, they go raise them. No father, no family. Even some of them, they go discriminate against them. And so, we must make sure anything where the government go do, then go find that money. The women, we go put them for school.
True.
The children where they born, then go put them for school. The head where make they not think say life don't finish for them. Because only God know. I read one self where the girl say he better make it die.
Hey.
Before somebody go say he better make it die.
Don't give up.
Don't give up. Aye. So we must make sure say they go begin to say, okay, thank God. Then don't rescue them now. Okay, then don't they alive now. Hope there for them. Because a lot of them now they no get hope. Make it no be saying a frying pan to fire.
Frying pan to fire situation.
make it no be because even the way where they live now, me as I dey see, then they pack them for motor like sardine.
As if these are things we see normally.
If guy pikin, he put for back, he tie kini, put for head.
They're supposed to treat them like VIP.
Yes.
Honorable Princess still dey inside studio, and she dey talk well. She sabi book, we know. Just this answer when you give now, don't summarize everything. You talk about accommodation, you talk about education, you talk about health, reintegration, rehabilitation, to give them waiting, hope. We go quickly rush, enter this break. When we come back, we'll continue the discussion as it dey hot.